Hello, this is HardReset.Info speaking for you, and in this video I'll show you how to create folders in your library. So it's very simple. Firstly, enter your library by entering My Games and Apps. Enter, for example, Groups, and now create a group. Name it. And add applications for your folder. Now enter Add. And your group has been set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.